Best SUVs of 2022 and 2023. Midsize EV, Ford Mustang Mach-E. The 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-E blends popular elements of the past and present in a highly desirable package that bodes well for the future of electric vehicles, which is why we gave it an Editor's Choice Award. While it seems sacrilegious that Ford would call a crossover EV a Mustang, pairing the iconic nameplate with an in-demand body style is smart marketing. Along with its attention-getting appearance, the Mach-E has a handsomely appointed interior that's brimming with the latest tech. It also has nifty storage solutions, a spacious back seat, and lots of cargo space. Get behind the wheel and the electrified Mustang feels agile and quick. The sportiest version hits 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds, quicker than a Mustang Mach-1, and the rangiest versions are estimated to travel more than 300 miles per charge. All that and more makes the 2022 Mustang Mach-E a transcendent EV. Midsize EV, Hyundai Ioniq 5. The 2022 Hyundai Ioniq 5 is a new all-electric compact crossover with advanced technology, futuristic styling, and a versatile interior. Intended as a Hyundai sub-brand, the Ioniq moniker also applies to a flood of upcoming EV models, but the 2022 5 has debuted first. It features impressive charging speeds, up to 350 kilowatts, and has an estimated driving range of up to 303 miles. Available with rear or all-wheel drive, the EV makes between 168 and 320 horsepower. Its eco-friendly interior boasts a tech-centric dashboard, reclining front seats with footrests, and generous passenger space, making the Ioniq 5 a well-rounded package worthy of an Editor's Choice Award. Midsize EV, Volkswagen ID.4. Think of the 2022 Volkswagen ID.4 as the spiritual successor to the original Type 1 Beetle, but with an emissions-free twist. The base version of Volkswagen's first electric car even has its single electric motor mounted in the rear. All-wheel drive is optional, though, and opting for that puts a second motor in the front. Driving range is decent at up to 260 miles per charge, and with DC fast charging, the battery can be replenished quickly via public charging stations. While it lacks the driving verve that we appreciate in other VW models, the ID.4's interior is quiet and relaxed when cruising. The ID.4's almost entirely digital dashboard gives the interior a high-tech aesthetic, but it takes some getting used to, particularly the infotainment system that features quirks that may frustrate some users. Even so, the ID.4 represents a solid value, and because of that we've made room for it on our annual Editor's Choice list. Midsize, Kia Telluride. The 2022 Kia Telluride separates itself from the herd of three-row, midsize crossovers with its handsome looks, unexpected luxuriousness, and unrivaled value. Of course, the largest Kia also flawlessly executes its core mission, which is to comfortably ferry families and their cargo. With a rugged exterior and a rich-looking interior, the Telluride wouldn't appear out of place in a Land Rover showroom. Along with an array of standard active safety features, every model has a robust infotainment system, and the top trim offers luxuries such as ventilated rear seats for an incredibly affordable price. While the palatial Ute isn't exactly exciting to drive, and its 291 horsepower V6 isn't particularly fuel efficient, its ride is refined and body roll is restrained. Midsize, Ford Bronco. The 2022 Ford Bronco rocks a nostalgia-inducing design along with both civil on-road driving manners and big-time trail tackling ability. The sheer bandwidth of its capabilities is what makes Ford's off-roader such a hit. While the Jeep Wrangler has ruled the off-road world as the de facto SUV for people seeking a vehicle with bona fide trail-eating cred, even if they never plan to tackle a boulder-strewn two-track, the Bronco is similarly configurable with a convertible top, 2- and 4-door body styles, and removable doors. Inside, the durable materials and simple design recall the original, old-school Bronco, but the interior aesthetic looks cheap on upper trim levels. All Broncos have all-wheel drive and either a Turbo 4 or a twin-turbo V6. Neither are very fuel efficient or sound particularly pleasant, but they're quick and responsive.